Price strategy marketing. Price is one element of the marketing mix that generation references. The other element generation coach. Price is prepares the most adaptable element of a marketing program. Product feature, event, promotional channel, take or time. Price also communication the company intends follow position to the marketing regarding its product or brand. As a well-designed marketing product in can demand a price premium and earn large profit. Price is also important aspect in the marketing mix accessibility. Pricing is very important to pay attention to, considering that price determines the before of banking product and service or not. Wrong in determining the price will have fatal consequences for the product in average for banks, especially bank with conventional principally. Price or internet administration costs, fees and communication, shipping costs, collection fees, rent fees, and other costs. Meanwhile, the price for a bank based on Sharia principle is or the result. Strategy for determining product prints. Prints are like background on a product. Many companies want to buy a product, but what is in price is the price of the product. And conversely, on a few people name these people who want to buy a product but do not care how much the product costs. By unveiling in general, we must be before in determining the price of product by considering various factors and comparison price, company objective and product life cycle. The strategy can be aside for new as old product. Pricing is intended for a variety of purposes to be applied. In general, the objective of pricing are as follows. 1. To survive. In the case the bank assessment the loved people placed with the intention that the product or service offered and marketable. For example, high saving and low loan interest rate but in conditions that are still profitable. 2. To maximize profit. The objective of the price is to experience inverse sales to the profit can be increased. Pricing can usually be done at low or high price. 3. To increase market share. This price determination is kept so that it's hoped that the number of customers will increase and is also hoped that company customer will switch to the product offered such of determining hurt their deposit interest rate from comparison. For product quality, the purpose is to give the impression that the product or service being offered is a high quality and usually the selling price is determined as high as possible. 5. Because of competition. In this case, the determination of the price by looking at the price of comparison, the goal is that the price offered does not exceed comparison price, meaning that the interest on deposit is above comparison and the interest on loan is below those of comparison. Pricing strategy. Pricing of goods or service a case strategy in various companies as a consequence and the regulation increasingly frees global company, low growth in money market and opportunities for companies to establish their position on market and opportunity for companies to take advantage of their position in the marketing, price, avail finally, perform and also crisis influence buyer. Perfections and brand positions phrase become a measure of product quality when buyer have diverse, complex product. Strategy that can be implemented include 1. Adopt a simple pricing strategy that can be implemented at low cost. 2. Assign pricing policies of enforcing according to the cost of service profit to customer. 3. Recording operation costs. 4. Convince the government to prioritize specific business. The motivation for the price war include the of product capacity survival make sure by frames operator under bankruptcy provision and also the company's emblazon on market share positives. Cost production is a nature is the pricing environment is persistent unless an organization can dominate one or more segments that are less sensitive to intense price competition. The strategy role pricing cost affects an organization's ability to compete existing company that will arise in the marketing segment targeting by management hit especially busy in pricing. B. Price in the marketing mix. The choice of strategy regarding a product and distribution set the qualities for both the pricing strategy and the promotion strategy. Product quality and characterizing type of distribution channel and shared service and intermediary food is all have set price rates. The marketing excellence is irreconcilable for the pricing strategy in many company. Coordinating between strategy and statistical pricing the each with or aspect of the marketing strategy is important because
The strategies for the new product are: number 1, skimming price. Skimming price is a setting high price, but after a new product appears, the price will decrease further. For example, handphone and laptop. Number 2, penetration price. Penetration price is to determine the initial low price as low as possible or cheap in order to penetrate the market quickly and also build brand loyalty rather than consumer. Pricing strategies that after consumer psychology, like the explanation at the beginning of the discussion, the price are like a background on a product. The price that consumers see for the first time is interest or not. Below are some strategies regarding pricing on a product that can attract customers. Number 1, precise pricing. Precise pricing is setting high price in order to form an image of high quality product that are generally used for some shopping and especially product. Usually these products are sold in branded malls, boutique or bistros. Number 2, outpricing. Outpricing is setting a price that is out or slightly below a predetermined price with the aim that the buyer will psychologically think the product to be purchased is cheaper. Number 3, multiple unit pricing or rebate price. Multiple unit pricing or rebate price is to give a certain discount when consumers buy product in large quantity. Number 4, price lining or line price. Pricing lining is to provide different price range on different product line. For example, Cinema 21 provide a standard price for standard cinema customer and change a higher price for consumer at the 21 Premier type cinema. Number 5, pricing leader. The pricing leader is to set a price lower than the market price or normal price to increase the sales or buyer turnover. An example is hypermarket type retail that provide promotion at the price that are cheaper than normal price. Strategies pricing discount on rebate. The discount price strategies for the seller is a strategies by providing a set discount in order to increase the sales of a product or service. With the discount, the buyer can be interested in buying a product, especially when the discount is quite high. But usually the discount is given a certain time. The traveler give a very high discount up to 90 until 70%, but increase the price of the product first and then discounting it so that the producer do not lose. Discount can be given in the form of quantity discount, cash payment discount, and trade discount. Competitive pricing strategies. Number 1, relative pricing. Relative pricing is determine price above, below, or equal to the competitive price level where the price movement follow the competitor movement. Number 2, following the leader pricing. Following the leader pricing is the pricing of product, good and service left to the market leader and does not their own price. Analysis of the pricing situation is carried out to develop strategies for the product line curve to select a pricing strategies for a new product or brand. Emphasis on strategies formulation is placed on several important activities which include market analysis, product analysis, competition analysis, including legal and ethical consideration. These analyses show the extent of resilience in pricing. Distribution strategies also influence the choice of how price will work in combination with the advertising strategies with the sales force. The pricing strategies influence the decision of other element of the marketing mix because the price itself is an element of the marketing mix. Price is perhaps the most adaptable element of a marketing program. Product features, even promotional channel take more time.